channel, I will be teaching you how to prepare quick and easy Indomie noodles. Right, this is the kind of meal you want to cook when you're back from work, you're tired, you don't have much time on your hands. You just want something easy. Yes, come with me and I'm going to show you how to cook it. Right here I have got my Indomie ready to use. I've got 5 packs of Indomie. Also, I have got my tomatoes, which is prep and ready to use. I've also got onion, which is prep and ready also to use. And I've got my Scotch bonnet. I know some of you will say this woman loves eating pepper. Yes, I do. But please just do what you're happy with. If you just want to use one, that's fine. It's up to you. Now, I've also got my shrimp ready. It's washed, it's cleaned, and it has been seasoned. I also have my beef ready. It's washed, cleaned, and seasoned. I also have my rapeseed oil ready, my salt to taste, and also 1 Maggi cube, which I'll be using in the sauce I'll be adding the noodles. Why I'll be using just 1 Maggi cube in the sauce I'll be using for the Indomie is because the pack of noodles has 5 seasoning in it. You don't want to use the whole 5 seasoning because you don't want your Indomie to be too salty or too sweet. You want it to be moderately cooked so that when you're eating it, you enjoy your meal. Those people that know how to cook, they understand what I'm saying. Right, this is the pan I'll be using to fry the sauce and the pot I'll be using for the Indomie noodles. Right, we are now going to start cooking. Right here, the pack of Indomie has been opened. As you can see, I've got 5 pack of seasoning ready to use, but I'm going to take out 2. Reason being that I do not want it to be too sweet or salty. Like I said, I've got my beef, my shrimp seasoned already, and I'll be using 1 Maggi cube and the sauce I'll be using for the Indomie. Those that know how to cook will understand what I'm talking about. But it's up to you. If you still want to use it, that is your choice. But I prefer using just 3 pack of seasoning. I'm going to start cooking right now. Please follow me while we cook together. My oil is in the pan and ready to cook. I'm just going to allow it to heat up a little bit, and after a while I will add my beef. In goes the beef. As you can see, it's sizzling, which shows that the oil is hot. I'm going to allow the beef to fry until it is crispy and golden brown before I start frying my shrimps. As you can see, the beef is well fried and is golden brown. So I'm going to take the beef out. Now I'm going to start adding my shrimps, and I'll allow it to fry until it is golden brown. As you can see, the shrimps is golden brown. So I'm going to take it out and we'll start frying our sauce. I'm now going to add the Indomie into the hot boiled water. When you're cooking it, make sure your water is boiled before adding the Indomie. And this Indomie does not take long to cook at all. You can cook this for just 3 minutes, So after adding the Indomie into the pot, add the seasoning and remember to stir. Looking at the Indomie, you will see that I don't have much water in it. I did this because I don't want, when I add the Indomie into the sauce, it becomes soggy. I'm now going to start frying my sauce. As you can see, the oil is hot and ready. In goes the onion. As you can see, it's sizzling, which shows that the oil is hot. I'm now going to add the chili after allowing it to fry for 2 minutes. In goes the chili. I know, I love chili, guys, I know, but please just do what is best for you. If you want to use one chili, that's fine. If you don't want chili at all, just do what you will best enjoy. After a minute, in goes the tomatoes. I'm going to allow the tomatoes to fry for 3 minutes. But you can go beyond 3 minutes depending on how you like yours to be fried. In goes the Maggi cube and also a little bit of salt to taste. And after a minute frying, I'll now add my beef and also add the shrimps. Allow it to fry for a minute and then add my Indomie noodles. In goes the noodles. After adding the whole noodles, stir, stir, stir. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Tell me the truth, is that not inviting? This is delicious. I'm hungry already. I am hungry. And I'm sure you guys watching out there love what you see. Even if you don't love what you're seeing, please still go to the comment section and let me know what you think is missing. But you know, with Indomie, some people like to use mixed veg, some use sweet peppers. It depends on what you love to add to your noodles. But the quick and easy way to prepare noodles is with tomato, onion, and pepper. And you know what? You can even decide not to use beef and shrimps. You can just use boiled egg. You will still enjoy it. Now I'm going to plate my meal. Wow, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Is somebody hungry? Please come and join me. Let's sit together. Thank you all for watching my videos. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for those of you that have subscribed. For those of you that are supporting me, God will continue to support you in everything you do. I pray for you. Thank you all. And please share my videos, and also don't forget to like and don't forget to press the notification button when you subscribe, so that whenever I post my video, you will always be notified. Thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. Bye bye. Ciao.